The mind enters amidst the haze of the darkness, confusion glaze. Nothing but emptiness through which comes a faint cry. A hearkening call echoing the draw nigh. There's a tapping against and is barely able to be heard. Dark forces trembling of a sound unblurred. Grown a continuous knock, a door with a flash containing a lock. Coming from that which is not way, the light through the darkness, it seems to say. There appears to be a presence which lies behind. Shall it be open or choose to keep it in bind? The void suction holds a strong grasp, trying to pull with one last gasp. Barely cracked, the door slams open wide. Feelings of nothingness begin to hide. Evil has a pure sensation of fear, a blazing flame that darkness does sear.